How to get keyboard on screen on Mac. So first of all, on your MacBook device, whether that's a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, whatever version you're using, it's going to be the same process throughout. You want to click on the top left hand corner where you see the Apple, then click on System Preferences. Next you'll want to click on Keyboard. Then once you're on this page, you're going to want to make sure that Show Keyboard and Emoji Viewers in Menu Bar is ticked. It's probably unticked for you, so make sure you go ahead, make sure that's ticked there. Once you've done that, you can exit out of this section. Then you want to click on the little flag that should be here on the top right hand corner. One of these areas here should be for you. And then you should see Show Keyboard Viewer. Go ahead and click on that, and then it should appear in the middle of the screen. You can kind of drag it across and make it a little bit bigger if you want to, like this, and you can go ahead and type in doing whatever you want with that. So leave a like on the video if it helps, subscribe for more, and comment down below if it worked.